What's up, fellas? Welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Instagram account from phone. It's actually a pretty easy thing to do. So let's head over to our Instagram to show you that. So once you're in your Instagram, make sure you're logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you are there, just tap on the three lines on the top right. From here, scroll to the down and here just select log out. And once you log out from your account, the account will be removed from your device. So yeah, this is how you can just remove Instagram account from phone. But sometimes it doesn't happen. There might be your account still right there. So what you need to do is just to tap on the three dots just right beside it and you will find the option of remove account and then tap there and your account will be removed from your device. So yeah, this is how you can just remove your Instagram account from your phone. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.